Hey everybody, how y'all doing? It's your boy Charles Dunnmoney Dunn. Want to do a quick video for everyone out there that's curious about what it is that I do. Now, what did I do is I teach a strategy called income shifting. You may ask, well, what is income shifting? It's very simple. Basically, income shifting is shifting your income from one place to another. What I do, I show you how to shift your income away from the government in the form of taxes and shift your income back into your pockets, allowing you to pay off your bills, pay down debt, pay down your mortgage, credit cards, student loans, what have you, and then shift your income again toward getting an asset. An asset is something that you can obtain to make you even more money. So your money then is shifted in somewhere where it makes money for you instead of you working for your money. Because money makes money faster than your labor does. So that in a nutshell is what I do for people that uh, ask me or I help them shift their income. Okay, so how does all this work? For example, anyone that has a job, they are considered a W-2 earner because you receive a W-2 at the end of the year. And on that W-2, the IRS uses that form to show how much you paid in taxes and how much you made over that year. And you use that to file your taxes every year. Because you're a W-2 earner and that's your only source of income, you're taxed anywhere from 28 up to 35%. But if you start a business, you're now taxed at a rate between 18 to 23%. Now, which one sounds better, 18 to 23 or 23 to 35? Of course, the 18 to 23 sound much better. All you need to do is start a business. Now, I talked to you about the W-2 form, and it shows you how much you paid out in taxes. Let's go back in time. When you first started your job, you sat in front of your HR personnel inside their office, and they had you fill out a form called the W-4. Now, this form is where you told your boss how much to take out of your paycheck for taxes. Yes, let me say it again. You filled out the form. You told your boss how much to take out of your paycheck in taxes. 9 times out of 10, your HR rep did not know how to fill out their form correctly themselves. The IRS states that 8 out of 10 people have their form filled out incorrectly. You don't have to take my word for it. You can go to the IRS website and you can see it for yourself. That's where I come in. I take your W-4, go over it with you, and help you fill it out correctly, legally and morally. Fill it out correctly so you're not overpaying in taxes. So you may ask, well, how does the business come into play? Well, many do not know that there is a back page to the W-4. I didn't know this either until I started got the education and started researching about filling out this form. There is a page 2 to W-4 for business owners. That's where you go in and you can take full advantage of the tax advantages of having a business or a home-based business, which is what I provide. Say, for example, someone that has a single person has one job. They may be able to take 3 allowances on the W-4 by themselves. If that same person starts a business, I can show them how to fill out the second page, and now their allowances can be up to 7 or 8. Now, when they had their 3 allowances, they were taxed at a higher rate. Now they have the 7 to 8 allowances, they are paying much less, and in some instances, they are paying 0 on their taxes when it comes to their income tax. So that's the importance of having a home-based business, because you get to use those tax laws to your advantage. Now, the person in the HR department probably just told you put 1 down for yourself, 1 down for each of your dependents, sign it and turn it in. That's not how that form works. That form has nothing to do, well, it's not about your dependents, put it that way. It's about your allowances. So you need to get with someone that knows how to fill out that form properly so that you can get your money back the way it's supposed to be. And when I say starting a business, I'm not saying that you have to go out and start a franchise or go out and rent a building or anything like that. You can start a business for as little as $114. Yes, $114 one time, and then you are a business owner and can take full advantage of all of the tax breaks allowed for business owners. So that way you have to get mad or upset or jealous of the big tycoons like Donald Trump, Mark Zuckerberg, any of those big wigs that are out there. They're paying little to nothing in federal taxes because they have a business. You can do the same thing. $114 one time, and then $34.95 a month for your licensing and website. It's that simple. And even add on to that, I will be with you every step of the way, guiding you, coaching you through the process. So don't think just because you start a business with me or become a business partner that I'm just going to leave you out there flapping, so to speak. I will guide you through the steps. I will first help you with your W-4, get it fit out correctly. And immediately you can start bringing in $200 to $500 a month addition to your income without asking your boss for that pay raise. You give yourself a pay raise by starting a business and filling that form out correctly. Now this takes effect your very next pay period. So who would not want $200 to $500 extra a month just for filling out a form that only takes about 10 to 15 minutes? That's right. Give me 10 to 15 minutes of your time. Allow me to help you fill this form out correctly. You turn it into your HR. By your next pay period, you will see anywhere from $200 to $500 a month back into your pay. Now, during this whole 10 minutes that I've been talking, I have not mentioned that you have to sell any products to get this money. That's not what this is about. This is all about strategy, not sales. And if you want to make more income in your business, all you have to do is introduce others to the same blessing that you just received. Show them how you're able to adjust your W-4. They become your business partners, and then you will receive payment or commission for them coming into business with you. Your first 2 personnel, you receive $25. After that, you get a promotion and a pay raise, another pay raise. You'll be able to receive $50 from your 3rd person on for every time you personally have someone come into business with you. $50 per person. And then every 7th person after that 3rd person, every 7 in your base shop, because your 3rd person starts your base shop. Every 7th person, the company that we partner with, My Econ, will give you a bonus up to $1,000. The best part is, you do not have to be the person that brought them in business. Someone in your base shop can bring someone in, and that will count towards your 7. And all you did was show them how to shift their income using the strategy that you used to shift your income. How they can now use that money to pay off their debts. How they can use that money to attain an asset to where their money works for them. Like I said before, I'm not asking you to sell any lotions, potions, anything of that nature. I'm not even mentioning any of that. You don't even have to bring anybody in business with you to make money. Again, like I said, all it takes 10 to 15 minutes, finish your W-4, and you get a pay raise on your job. And you had not spoken to anyone about your business. So you can be quiet and silently make extra money each month if that's your choice. So, if this sounds interesting to you or this makes sense to you, feel free to reach out to me, contact me, and I will get you started immediately. Again, dream big, you'll grow into it. Don't allow fear to stop you from reaching your financial goal, financial success. This is Charles Dunnmoney Dunn. Website, you can reach me for more free videos is www.dunnmoney.com, and I'll send you some free videos with more financial education. My cell phone number is 706-945-9077. Contact me anytime with any questions or concerns, and I will help you out to get started. Be blessed.